there, students. I just wanted to give you a heads up on what you will be needing to pass English 403 as we race to the end of the semester. So what I need for you to look at is your summative assignments in your gradebook. You need to make sure that you have completed all of your interim assessments, so that's IA4 and IA5, the Tenets of Romanticism essay unit assessment, and your novel unit test and final project. Those are the big ticket assignments that are going to make you or break you, so to speak. That combined with the formative assessments, which are located in the catch-up modules in the OHS. So after you check your gradebook for 50s or for zeros on the IAs, then you can easily access important assignments and catch up on your work using the IA4 catch-up module and the IA5 raise your grade catch-up module. And then we have the magic formula. Of course, you know your SLO, your SLO, Student Learning Objectives Final, also known as Interim Assessment 6 or IA6, will count as 20% of your overall grade for the course. So if you should happen to choose not to take the SLO and you get a 0 for it, you'll need to have at least an 88 average in the class in order to pass. So if you have a C average, a 70 something, you'll need to earn at least a 68 or higher on the SLO just to pass the course for this semester. And then there's the magic formula there where you can determine what grade you need with your average right now. And I have some examples for you. So Miranda is an A student with an overall average of 96. She takes the IA6 or the SLO and scores a 98. So we take that magic formula, we take her average right now, 96, multiply it by 0.8. That gives us 76.8. We say that she makes a 98 on that final. Multiply that by 0.2 and we get 19.6. Add those together and we have an overall average then of 96.4. Therefore, Miranda maintains her lovely A average because she was hardworking all through the semester and kept up her grades. Now, Jane is a student with an average of 96, but she says, I'm tired, I'm burned out, I'm just not going to take that IA6. And she scores a 0. So we take her 96 and get that same 76.8. We take that 0 and keep a 0, and we add those together, you still end up with 76.8. So Jane's beautiful A just went down to a C. All right, and then we have Rick. Rick is a C student with an overall average of 72. He takes the IA and he scores a 68. Take that 72, multiply it by 0.8, 57.6. Take his 68 for the SLO, multiply it by 0.2, you get 13.6. When you add those together, you get a 71. So Rick maintains his passing C average, barely. Now James is a student who has fallen behind, has kind of dawdled around and is missing a whole lot of assignments, and he has a 65 in the course. He takes that IA and scores an 88. Take the 65, multiply by 0.8, gives you 52. Take the 88 and multiply by 2.2 and you get the 17.6. 52 plus 17.6 equals 69.6, which actually rounds up to 70 because he's very lucky. And James took his time on the final SLO IA6 and he scored really well, and that brought his grade up to a C. So he is now passing for the semester. I hope that helps, and I hope it lights a fire under those of you who need to do a little catching up. And I look forward to seeing your grades come on up. Have a great day.